This video will introduce the installation guide of the 2CT meter. Before installation, please prepare the installation tools and connecting cables. Communication wire connection. First, connect the communication cable. The two green terminals on the meter are for communication cables. The green terminals and the black communication cable ends are both labeled A and B. Insert them accordingly, and tighten the screws. Connect the other end of the communication wires to the device. CT wire connection. The four terminals on the other side of the meter are for CT wirings. Start with CT1 with the yellow heat shrink sleeve. It has one white wire and one blue wire. Connect the white wire to terminal 9, and the blue wire to terminal 10. Then connect the CT2 with the green heat shrink sleeve. Connect the white wire to terminal 11, and the blue wire to terminal 12. Live wire and neutral wire connection. Connect the live wire and neutral wire to the electric meter. Connect the other end to the main air switch. Two CT wiring guide. This is CT1. Connects to the bus bar. The arrow should point to the grid. This is CT2. Connects to the third-party grid wire. The arrow should also point to the grid.